Hi everyone, I'm sharing this video because I was doing YouTube searches and couldn't find a lot of examples that fit my circumstances, so I'm sharing this so maybe you can find it helpful too. I've done a 4-inch hole saw and I need to re-plug the hole after putting in some cellulose insulation. So instead of using my hands or clamps, which I've seen online, I made a little strap here. This is just metal strapping, real soft so it can bend. I just drill those guys in. They don't need to go too deep. Now once it's in there, you can get that 2x4 in the hole, shake that insulation off and let it float there for a minute. Then you can take your deck screws, and I'm just using 2 different drills to make this a little bit faster. And just pilot them in there a little bit. I'm going to use 4 screws. Now you have some nice handle for your counter tension, so I'm going to drill these in and get it centered. Now what you can do is take out these screws, clean up the hole with your putty knife, get your plug, set it in there, take a couple more screws. I used these guys. That's Alma in the background. She's filming. And as you can see, that is about as sturdy as it gets. So that's how I plugged a 4-inch hole in my subfloor. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.